My name is Felix Paul and I am coming from Kerala. I completed my mechanical in engineering and I came to Bangalore to Bhadra Electronics for my ECM repair training, and it was a good module about ECM, and I don't know about any resistors or any MOSFETs or something. When I came here only I know about this MOSFETs and these ICs, and this all was my first experience in my life and I enjoyed very well. I studied many of things about this ECM, and I spent a lot of good times with Yogesh sir and Deepak sir. Deepak sir also trained with lots of things about this ECM and different types of resistors, modules and the tools which we want to use, and about all of the things about this ECM repairing training. And he discussed about the faults and the goods of the ECMs that we can do and don't do, all things they have told very well, and I am very well satisfied of this Bhadra Electronics, and it's a good training for me. 2 months I enjoyed my training very well.